Shalom everyone, again this is Ate Ai. For today's vlog, I'll be sharing the conjugation of infinitive to remember. In Hebrew, lizkor. Okay guys, bonatkel. Present tense remember for masculine singular, zoker. Ani zoker. Ata zoker. Hu zoker. Present tense remember for feminine singular, zokeret. Ani zokeret. At zokeret. He zokeret. Present tense remember for masculine plural or mixed gender, zokrim. Anachno zokrim. Atem zokrim. Hem zokrim. Present tense remember for feminine plural, zokrot. Anachno zokrot. Aten zokrot. Hen zokrot. Okay guys, for past tense, remembered. Zakarti. Zakarta. Zakart. Zakar. Zakra. Zakarno. Zakartem. Zakarten. Zakru. Zakru. Okay, for future tense, will remember. Ani izgor. Ata tizgor. At tizkeri. Hu yizgor. He tizgor. Anachno nizgor. Atem tizkeru. Aten tizgorna. Hem yizgeru. Hen tizgorna. Okay guys, now I will give you the command or the imperative. Imperative, remember, for masculine singular, zgor. Imperative, remember, for feminine singular, zikri. Imperative, remember, for masculine plural, zikru. Imperative, remember, for feminine plural, zgorna. Okay guys, again, this is the end for today's video. Hope you enjoy and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the notification bell to be updated for more videos. Guys, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next vlog. God bless you all. Lihitraot.